Everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Beyond Degree. Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to take a closer look at the WordPress dashboard and learn how to navigate its various sections. Once you have logged into your WordPress website, you will see WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you can manage all aspects of your site's content, design, and settings. At the top, you will find the admin toolbar, which provides quick access to various administrative tasks and allows you to navigate different sections of your website. You can also access your profile and log out from here. On the left hand side of the dashboard, you will find the main navigation menu. This menu acts as the gateway to all the essential sections of your WordPress website, giving you access to various features and settings. Clicking on any of these sections will expand the submenu, allow you to access specific features and settings within each section. It takes some time to familiarize yourself with the different options available here. Let's break down each of these sections. Dashboard. This is the default landing page when you log into your WordPress admin area. It provides an overview of your site's activity and performance, including recent comments, incoming links, and WordPress news updates. The post section is where you can create, edit, and manage your blog post. You can organize your post into categories and tags, schedule them for further publication, and preview them before going live. The media section is where you can upload, manage, and organize your media files, including images, videos, and audio files. You can add media directly to your post and pages from here. Pages, unlike posts, which are typically used for blog content, pages are static and used for timeless content, such as your About page, Contact page, or Services page. You can create, edit, and manage pages here. Comments. In the comment section, you can moderate and manage comments on your post. You can approve, reply to, edit, or delete comments as needed to engage with your audience effectively. Appearance. The appearance section is where you can customize the visual aspects of your websites, including themes, theme customizer, menus, theme settings, and theme file editor. You can change your site's look and feel without touching any code. Plugins. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. Allow you to add extra functionality such as contact forms, social media integration, and SEO optimization. You can install, activate, deactivate, and configure plugins from this section. Users. In the user section, you can manage user accounts and permission for your website. You can add new users, edit existing user profile, and assign different roles and capabilities to control what each user can do on your sites. Tools. The Tools section provides various tools to help you manage and maintain your website. This includes importing and exporting contents, checking for broken links, and optimizing your database. Settings. The Settings section is where you can configure the general settings of your websites, including site titles and tagline, site icon, URL structure, reading preferences, discussion settings, and more. Each section of navigation menu is designed to help you efficiently manage and customize your WordPress website. Familiarizing yourself with these sections will empower you to take full control of your site's contents, design, and functionality. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.